February 26, 2026 Morning News Summary, New York Time, covering 10 last night to 6 this morning. Don't forget to subscribe before we start, so you don't miss out on the latest international news. News 1, BOJ holds policy, yen weakens past 152, the Bank of Japan maintained its ultra-loose monetary policy, keeping short-term rates at -0.1% and the 10-year JGB yield target near 0%. Governor Ueda cited insufficient confidence in sustained inflation, leading the US dollar to Japanese yen to surge 0.8% to 152.30, a new 4-month low for the yen and raising intervention concerns. News 2, US core PCE meets forecast at 2.8%, the Federal Reserve's preferred inflation gauge, the core PCE price index, rose 2.8% year-over-year in January, aligning with expectations. Monthly growth slowed to 0.4%. The data reinforced the Fed's patient stance, with futures pricing now indicating a 65% probability of the first rate cut in June. News 3, European inflation dips to 2.5%, flash Eurozone CPI for February cooled to 2.5% year-over-year, down from 2.8% in January and below the 2.6% forecast. Core inflation fell to 3%. The data strengthens the case for an ECB rate cut in June, with the euro dipping 0.3% against the dollar to 1.0780. News 4, China announces major semiconductor fund. The Chinese government launched its fourth phase of the Big Fund, a state-backed semiconductor investment vehicle, with a reported capital injection of $50 billion. The move aims to accelerate self-sufficiency in advanced chip manufacturing amid ongoing U.S. export restrictions. News 5, oil prices slide on demand concerns. Brent crude futures fell 2.1% to $80.50 per barrel, while WTI dropped 2.4% to $75.80. The decline was driven by a larger-than-expected U.S. inventory build and softening global demand forecasts from the IEA, overshadowing ongoing Middle East supply risks. News 6, UN Security Council votes on Gaza aid. The UN Security Council passed a resolution demanding an immediate ceasefire in Gaza during Ramadan and the unconditional release of all hostages. The U.S. abstained from the vote, allowing the resolution to pass, marking a significant diplomatic shift and increasing pressure on Israel. That's all for today's news. See you next time.